I am dressed and ready for my New Orleans adventure. I get to spend the day there. I get to take a cooking class. I get to adventure and see the sights. I get to do a walking tour of Tennessee Williams kind of hot spots. I'm going to have a blast. I've got a full itinerary, but it's very flexible to what I feel like doing today. And all told, I'm only gonna spend about $200 for the entire trip. So what a great way to spend the day. Why don't you come with me? And just like that, my day is over and I'm back in the truck and I'm driving home. And I've got a big smile on my face because I just had a very cool day of adventuring.